Ordinary turntables are a great help for precise scanning with Artec Space Spider, but because they are manually operated, one hand will be always busy. That's why the new Artec Turntable is a great accessory for rail professionals. This intellectual turntable communicates with Artec Studio during scanning and knows everything about your scanner's tracking. If tracking is lost, the platform simply pauses and rotates back about 15 degrees and then begins again once tracking has been regained. Automatic mode starts when you push the button on your Space Spider. Now you can enjoy a new level of scanning freedom. The turntable has an option for constant rotation. In this intelligent device, everything has been designed to give you perfect scanning results.